How to answer literature questions correctly, WAEC and school exams. Welcome to Prose and Perspective 1000, where literature is made clear, practical, and powerful. Today's lesson is one every student needs, but very few are properly taught. How to answer literature questions correctly for WAEC and school exams. Many students read the novel, yet fail literature. Why? Because literature is not about telling stories. It is about answering questions the examiner asked, not the ones you like. In this video, I'll show you what WAEC examiners truly want, how to structure your answers, common mistakes that cost students marks, and how to write answers that attract full credit. Let's begin. Understanding what literature exams test. First, you must understand this clearly. Pinpoint. Literature exams do not test memory alone. They test understanding, interpretation, and expression. WAEC examiners look for three major things. 1. Knowledge of the text. 2. Understanding of the question. 3. Clear, organized expression. Many students fail because they focus on only the first, knowledge, and ignore the other two. Read the question like a lawyer. Let me sound like a professor for a moment. The question is the boss of your answer. Before writing anything, do this. Read the question twice. Underline key words mentally. For example, discuss the role of pride in Okonkwo's downfall. The key words are discuss, role of pride, downfall of Okonkwo. If you start narrating the entire story of Things Fall Apart, you have already lost marks. WAEC rewards relevance, not volume. Structure is everything. A good literature answer has three clear parts. 1. Introduction. Brief, direct, shows you understand the question. Example, in Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, pride plays a major role in Okonkwo's tragic downfall. That's enough. Don't write a whole story in the introduction. 2. Body. This is where marks live. Each paragraph should focus on one clear point, be linked directly to the question, be supported with examples from the text. Use firstly, secondly, furthermore. 3. Conclusion. Short, summarizes your argument. No new ideas. Simple and mature. Using quotations correctly. Now let's talk about quotations, because this is where many students panic. You do not need long quotations. WAEC prefers short, relevant, correctly explained quotations. Bad example, copying half a page from the novel. Good example, Okonkwo's fear of being weak like his father drives his violent actions. Even if you can't quote word for word, paraphrase intelligently. Remember, quotation without explanation equals low marks. Common mistakes that fail students. Let me now warn you, as a literature lecturer would. X. Writing stories instead of answers. X. Ignoring the exact question. X. Poor grammar and unclear sentences. X. Mixing characters and events. X. Writing without paragraphs. Examiners are human beings. Confused answers confuse markers. Clear writing attracts marks. How to answer different types of questions. 1. Character questions. Describe traits. Support with actions and events. Theme questions. Define the theme briefly. Show how it appears in the novel. Plot questions. Be selective. Focus only on relevant events. Style or literary device questions. Identify the device. Explain its effect. Never mix them up. Final professional advice. To succeed in literature exams, read the text with understanding. Practice writing answers. Think before you write. Write what the examiner wants, not what you enjoy. Literature rewards clarity, relevance, and maturity of thought. If this lesson helped you, like the video and share it with a student preparing for WAEC or school exams. Subscribe to Prose and Perspective for clear explanations of African novels, exam techniques, and literary analysis. And always remember, read boldly, think deeply. AfriHeart leading the way.